In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do clustering analysis in Power BI. Clustering is a quick way to group similar data points so you can spot patterns at a glance. Think of it as letting Power BI organize your dots on a chart into meaningful, color-coded groups without you having to manually label them. Start by opening Power BI on your desktop and heading into one of your existing reports. Make sure you're on a page where you want to explore patterns in your data. On the report canvas, add a scatter chart from the visualizations pane. This visual is perfect for clustering because it compares two numerical values and shows individual points. Next, you'll feed the scatter plot with data. Drag a numerical field to the x-axis. This might be something like total sales, quantity, or any continuous measure. Then drag another numerical field to the y-axis. Ideally, pick a second metric that complements the first, so the spread of points tells a meaningful story. After that, add the category you want to cluster, such as a customer identifier, a product ID, or a transaction level key, to the details or values area of the visual. This step defines the granularity of the dots, making sure each point represents an entity you care about. Now you're ready to run clustering. On the scatter chart, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the visual. Choose Automatically Find Clusters. Power BI will open a configuration window. Here you can set the number of clusters if you already know how many groups you expect, or simply leave it on auto and let Power BI decide based on your data's structure. Auto is a great starting point when you're exploring. When you're ready, click OK. Power BI will analyze the distribution of points and assign each one to a cluster, usually revealed as distinct colors on the scatter chart. Behind the scenes, it applies a clustering method to separate your data into groups that are internally similar and externally different, helping you spot segments instantly. If the clusters look too coarse or too fragmented, revisit the configuration and adjust the number of clusters, or try different numerical fields to create a clearer separation. A few quick tips as you interpret the results. Make sure your X and Y fields are truly numerical and meaningful together. Keep an eye on outliers that can stretch the scale, and ensure you've got enough data points to form stable groups. That's it. Simple, visual, and insightful. Thanks for watching.